Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you edit and update a URL for a member? You can sell this as an add-on service to your members if you want. So if we go to the member directory, let's pick one of the members just in here. So we're going to pick sample member 3. And we can see that the URL structure is just here. But what if we want to give them a unique structure? What we can do is go to My Members, search Members. Let's go down to Sample Member 3. Let's go to Quick Edit, Advanced Options. And then if we scroll down, we can see the URL that they're currently using. So if we delete that, we could just call them Sample 3, for example. So we can make a URL up for them. Save it. Close that off. Go back here. Refresh the page. The new URL is now sample 3. And as I said, you could upsell that as an option through digital products. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.